Hello everyone, my name is Matt Montoya and I'll be your instructor. Welcome to English 101. I wanted to just record kind of an introductory video to show you how the course is structured and what to expect. And then also an overview of week 1 so that you know what's due and when. And every week I'll try to provide an announcement video that walks you through the due dates and kind of breaks down the week so you know how things are going to work. So let's get into it. So the first thing you need to be aware of are these course documents here at the beginning. So this kind of shows you the important things you need to know kind of right off the bat. So you've got your syllabus and your syllabus addendum. So those are kind of the course policies. And then you'll want to explore these pages first, all these pages here. And these are resources that you'll be able to refer to throughout the quarter. So that's why I put them at the top of the page. So you can always see those first. Now another thing I want to show you with navigation though, because we have 12 weeks in the quarter, it can be a little tedious later on in the quarter when you're scrolling to say, okay, I don't want to always have to scroll. Say I'm in week 10, I don't want to have to scroll through all these weeks. So it's nice that you can click these arrows here and close something. So like close this, and then you don't have to scroll past it. So once you finish a week, you can close the arrow, and then if you want to go back to it, you just click on the arrow here and it'll come back. So that's a useful navigation tool. The way that this course is structured, you will be able to kind of just see in a linear fashion all the content. So I recommend accessing everything through the home or the modules page. They're the same. You don't really need to worry about this menu over here too much unless you're looking for your grade or tutoring, things like that, announcements. But your main place you're going to go is home or modules. Again, they're the same. And then everything is on this page. So you'll just kind of progress through it sequentially. So after you've read all the course documents, then you can jump into week 1. Each week has a question and answer board. And then you've got your activities, and they're broken down by when they're due. So Tuesday night, you've got all these things. Thursday night, you have these things. And then Saturday night, you'll have these things. Now, sometimes you'll just need to read the page and go on. Sometimes you'll need to submit something on the page. So it's important to follow the instructions. So for week 1, this is just a page you read about me, meet your instructor. Then you'll have a discussion board called Meet Your Classmates. So this has 2 parts to it. And this is the case for discussion boards and also peer review activities, where you'll want to, it says due Tuesday night, but if you look in Thursday night, you'll notice that this assignment shows up again. The reason is you want to make your initial post on this discussion board by Tuesday night. So you'll post an introduction to yourself by Tuesday night. Thursday night, you're going to go back and respond to 2 of your classmates' posts. So there will always be kind of 2 due dates, although it will always list the second one. So you will make your initial post by Tuesday night. You'll take the syllabus quiz. You'll complete the diagnostic activity all by Tuesday night. And then you've got an extra credit opportunity here. For Thursday night, you're going to go back to the Meet Your Classmates discussion board and respond to 2 of their posts. You're going to read it and learn about annotation here. Take a quiz. Then you're going to learn about the first paper you're going to write and look at the rubric. Check out some readings, and then read some of the readings related to the topic that you pick, and then you'll make your initial post for another discussion board here. For Saturday night, you'll go back and respond to 2 of your peers' posts for this discussion board. Then you will look at some examples of the type of paper you're going to write. You'll take a quiz here. You will write an outline for your first paper, and then you'll submit that outline here. And then we'll come back to this activity in the next week, and you'll actually give feedback to your peers and get some feedback. So that's the basic overview for week 1, fairly straightforward. The most confusing thing is the discussion boards. Just make sure if you see something shows up under Tuesday night, know that there's part of that assignment that's due Tuesday night. And if it shows up again Thursday night, then there's another part to it that's going to be due Thursday night. So just make sure you follow those instructions. We're kind of getting our bearings here. And that's how the class works. Other things you need to know, I am available to answer your questions over email. You can message me on Canvas if you want to meet in Zoom or have a quick phone call. I'm always happy to do that as well. Whatever will help support you the best, but I'm here to support you, here to answer your questions. If you notice a page on Canvas that has broken links or typos anything like that that's confusing or preventing you from moving forward, please message me. It's not going to offend me. If you've noticed an error in my page, I'm always interested in knowing about that. So please let me know, and I will go in and correct that as soon as I can. So I appreciate your cooperation there. Same thing kind of with the question and answer boards. You can post questions here. If you think your question is one that other people might have, that's a good place to do it. And then I encourage you to check that board, and if you see a question that you know the answer to, don't be afraid to answer each other's questions, and that can also give you an opportunity to get to know people and also get your answers more quickly. But again, I try to monitor these and check them throughout the week as well. And then if you have a question you don't want to post for the whole class to see, of course, message me. If it's more personal related to you, feel free to just message me or email me. Looking forward to working with you, and hope you have a great week.